All right, well, hey, it's Matt, Blind Guy's Garage, and we're here over at a friend's house. Not sure if you'll see him on camera. We'll find out in a minute. But we're working on an old Ford today. I know how much y'all like Fords. So, hope y'all enjoy what we do. We'll video as much of it as we can, and we'll get it out to you. You don't have a charger, but you have jumper cables. All right, well, we're gonna start with installing this bastard. I'm gonna give it to the professional to work on. There you go.
You want to come in?
No. I do want one of your bolts out of your starter though.
Okay.
Because one of these is what? Yeah, one of these is fee-barred.
Is what?
Fee-barred. I had to use wiper to figure it out. Alright, well, so we have starter installed, wire installed. We're waiting on an alternator. I mean, not an alternator. We don't need an alternator to make it run to it. We're waiting on a battery. He's working on that process right now. I don't know where he went. There he is. So, bring it back when it's time to fire it up. Alright, well, now we're going to take a chance and see if it sets fire or not. Yeah, put the cap on. Good idea.
Oh, you want to put the filter back in?
Nah.
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing but... I think it's an accessory.
So either our ground's negative or our starter cylinder is pissed off. Give me a jumper cable. Well, tractor no want to start, battery junk. So we will try to jump it off with a Kia. Wait, hold on. I might have lied. Hyundai, not Kia. All right, bring you back in a second. Where them jumping cables at? We need the jumping cables. Hot and tip?
You shower, you pour.
Hot and tip? You hot tip?
That's a pot tip.
Hot and tip? Is it net tip? Okay. Hot and tip?
Wait. Okay.
Hot and tip?
6 volts, it'll jump.
Hot and tip? Is this negative? No room on what?
In there. Real close to the hood.
Yeah, we'll do.
Oh, yeah. Not your fuck.
I wouldn't be scared if it was
Did you put oil in that purple?
No. Why'd you put it back on?
No, there's a spin right there.
You just had a little bit in.
How much was it in? Yeah, it's going to go off.
Third. Negative. Alright, carefree. As long as you told me right, I'm right. You might want to double check my work.
Well, as long as I hook it up,
Positive over here.
as long as I hook it up the same way you hook it up, it don't matter.
That's what I said. You might want to check my work. You got sparklers? Would we like to try it now?
It clicks.
Hey, it did something. Good or bad, it did something.
Huh?
Yeah, but it don't click no more.
You gotta let it charge for a minute. That's a little bad. You want to rev it up and get it?
No. We got no starter solenoid again. Arrgh! Mr. Power! Hey, obviously we're not getting that good of power.
Why?
Because I just hit the hood and it didn't shock, it didn't hard.
I told you. Crappy battery.
I think I've got a bad ground right now. Alrighty, well I was editing the video here for the old Ford tractor when we was working on it and realized that there was a little bit of a gap in footage and that there was also some real bad footage. So I'm going to bring you back just for a quick thing here and we'll get back to working on that tractor in this video. So here's what we got going on. So what we did is we put a starter on it, And in the process of putting the starter on, it had been sitting on this old tractor. It had been rebuilt, but this is a 46, I think, Ford 9N. So it had been sitting on this tractor for a long time, but it was rebuilt. So when I put it on that tractor, it wouldn't work. Pulled it off the tractor, pulled the little armature, the little dust covers off of it, put just a little bit of oil down it, turned it by hand, and then hit it with some jumper cables, and it spun right over, no problems. I don't know why that's not on any of the video, but, and then it got dark because we ran and got dinner and a brand new battery for the tractor. So now you'll see us just after we put a battery in it, and we're sitting inside the shop with as much light as we got. So I hope y'all enjoy it.
Move.
All right, let's try this again.
Show me does work.
Where's the choke?
Never show you.
Half choke on it. Ready?
Ready?
Shifter.
Feels on.
Give me that. Give me one. That's massive, like about this much. That's a good sounding starter. Fire.
I sure do smell it.
Is it leaking?
No,
Turn it on until it leaks. Oh, you have it on.
it's on. Yeah, it's on.
Good sounding starter. I guess points aren't fine.
Oh god. Keep trying. Spin it around enough to clean them off. Let me get full choke. Try that. Oh, okay.
Hey, we're fine. Let's go.
I quite open.
Pull the water over. Then give her just a little choke. Nice little backfire.
I put it up here.
Full throttle.
I know I can work.
Come on, baby. New starter. Used starter.
New use.
New to us starter.
7-year-old starter. Brand new.
New to us starter.
Sitting on a shelf in a box, 7 years.
Yeah, what he said. Carburetor leaks fuel. Isn't that nice? He's got a new one of those. 70-year-old carburetor again, once again. And it's converted to 12 volts right there. We obviously didn't have to clean the points this time, and we have an exhaust leak. You can see it where it leaks, how black it is, and the pipe is about to fall off of it. So there it is. So let's do this one more time. Y'all ready? I know he's not ready. It's loud. Oh, come on now. lives and runs. I'm sure we'll work on this turd again at some point. It's a Ford after all. Just kidding. Later.